Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk you through how to configure and use the Language Translator Control in Devum. The Language Translator Control allows your app to switch languages based on the options you select. Now in App Studio, navigate to the master page called HR Master. In the Standard menu, search for the Language Translator Control in the library, and then drag and drop it into a suitable container element, exactly as shown clearly in the video demonstration. With the control selected, open the Properties panel on the right-hand side. Here, you can fine-tune the alignment and apply any additional styling or visual enhancements as needed to improve the overall appearance. Then go ahead and publish the changes to ensure all your updates are saved and reflected properly across the application. After publishing the changes, navigate to the App Preview section. Since the master page itself doesn't support preview, you'll be able to view the pages where it's applied instead. Next, click the Select Language drop-down, which displays a wide collection of languages. Choose the language you prefer. In this example, we selected French. A prompt will appear asking whether you want to set French as the default language. After selecting Yes, you'll see that the primary language of the content is updated to French. Then we switch the primary language back to English by following the same simple steps. This demonstrates how smoothly the Language Translator Control allows you to toggle between languages. And with that, you've seen how the Language Translator Control operates within Devum. Thank you.